If you're into finger picking, today I've got a great one for you. Hi, I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. This is day 12 of my 30-day guitar coaching series. And I really spent some time and thought out little by little what it would take to get somebody up to playing some cool, fancy fingerpicking patterns. Then I made some exercises that incrementally added some steps and give you a lot of practice. So it's kind of like instead of jumping up a story or two to get up a building, you just have to take one foot after the other. And I think you'll love it. So let's get on to the lesson portion. And I'm going to start with what I call lesson 1. I should give you a heads up. There is a part 1 of this video. This is part 2. If you haven't done part 1 yet, and you're kind of new at fingerpicking guitar, you're going to want to go there first. I'll put a link down below somewhere. In any case, you'll want to come back to this over and over until you get it. Have fun. One of the movements that's common among many of the cooler fingerpicking patterns is this pinching motion, where your thumb goes down and one of your other fingers pinches another note. So we're going to practice in this exercise that pinching motion. And having some experience with this, when it comes to one of the fancier fingerpicking patterns that uses this motion, it'll feel natural. But in fact, it's because you practiced. Let me show you the movement. We're going to use that same G chord. And we'll go to the C also. I'm going to pinch on the bass note, the sixth string, and pinch on the second string. I call it the Pinchy exercise. Clever, huh? No, maybe not. Okay. Pinch. Try that with me. Thumb. Remember that thumb should go on the downside. It's basically the same motion if you've done my other exercises. So we pinch. Thumb goes down and the finger goes into your palm as we make them both strings ring. So that's the motion. Come on, try a couple times with me and then we're going to go on. Pinch. Sixth string, second string, you got it? Again. Okay, not bad. Let's go on. We're going to add the alternating bass to that. So we're going to start pinching on the sixth string. And those T's are kind of rough, huh? We're going to start pinching on the sixth string. And then your thumb's going to move over to the fourth string and we'll pinch again. Oh, I'm sorry. We're not going to pinch again. We're going to alternate. Pinch, alternate, alternate, alternate. Okay, so this is one pinch. Hey, you can do 2 if you want. That's the exercise. I think I'm just coming up with an advanced version. It goes 2 pinches. Totally up to you. I'll be happy if you do this way. Okay? Like that. Okay? Let's try it nice and slow. So remember, we got the alternating thing going and 1 pinch. Ready? Hit it. Pinch. 4th string. 6, 4. Now pinch again. Pinch. 4, 6, 4. Let's try it on the C chord. Move your 2 fingers over in the left hand. We've got a C, or also known as C add 9. We're going to pinch the 5th string now with the thumb, and the same 2nd string with I'm using my 2nd finger on the right hand. You could easily do this with the 3rd finger. You could do it first too. But I'm most comfortable with the 2nd. The problem with the 1st is you're going to need it for something else, but you could use the 3rd if you prefer. Try to use one and get used to it. It'll mess you up if you're alternating. Your hand at some point will get confused. Here we go. Ready, go. Pinch. Now alternate with the 4th string. 5, 4. Pinch again. One more time. Pinch. 4, 5, 4. So if you want, stop this video and practice a little bit, and let's try it together when you're ready, either right now or when you come back, from the G chord. And we'll do a few times each chord. Okay, I trust you've done what you need to do. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, hit it. Pinch, 4, 6, 4. Again, pinch, 4, 6, 4. Now onto the C chord. Go. Pinch, 4, 5, 4, and then again. Not bad. Now for the next exercise, I'll call it exercise number 2 for this video, for part 2. Really, since there's a part 1, there's 3 other exercises. Oh, I won't get into that. I'm getting confused. Exercise 2. Here we are. We're going to use that same G chord. Convenient, huh? And we're going to add to it, listen. Cool, huh? We're going to pinch just like you did. Then thumb goes to the 4, 6. On the upbeat of this beat, you're going to hit the first string. I'm using my second finger again. So listen, and I'll count as I play it. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. This is actually where counting kind of comes in handy, this rhythm thing. We're aiming at the end of 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Try that with me, nice and slow. 1, 2, ready, hit it. Pinch, 4, and. I'm calling out the string names. Again, pinch, 4, and. 6, 4. Again, pinch, 4, and. So rhythmically, it would be, play along with me and I'll count. 1, 2, and 3, 4. It's not the strings, that's the rhythm. 1, 2, and 3, 4. A lot of counting here, huh? Okay, so we're going to try it now with the C chord. Same pinching pattern and same strings actually, except the thumb on the 5th string. Here we go. Pinch, go to the 4th string, then and on the 1st string, back to 5 and 4. 5, 4, and 5, 4. 5, 4, and 1. Too much to say. So let's try it all together, 2 times on G, 2 times on C. You ready? I'll count. 4. 1, 2, ready, go, pinch. To C now. Starting to sound like something, huh? And let's do it again. Come on, got this. Pinch. Again, pinch. And the C. Oh, good, good. Okay, it's starting to sound like music. On to exercise number 3. And you guess it, same chords. Almost the same pattern, but we're going to add something. So listen first and see if you can tell what I've added. You hear it? I mean, coming back and hitting that 2nd string again, and the beat would be 1, 2, and 3, and. So the end on 3 is the addition. 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's try it. Nice and slow. So you're just going to come back, same as exercise number 2, but you're going to come back and hit that 2nd string on the end of 3. I think I'll count the strings first. Let's try that. Ready, go. Slow. Pinch, 4, 1, back to 6, and then 2, and 4. How was that? Kind of confusing. Do it again. Ready, hit it. I'll count out the rhythm this time. Let's try it. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Is that better? You have to let me know in the comments which works better, calling out the string names or the rhythm pattern. I'm not really sure. I'll try it again with the rhythm. Ready, go. Pinch, 2, and 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's try that on the C chord. Almost exactly the same, and I'm adding the 2nd string again. Here we go. So it's alternating on the 5th string, the thumb now. Ready, go. Pinch. Again, pinch. 2 and 3 and 4. Try it again. Pinch, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, we're going to try it together. I won't stop in between, but I might slow down a little. Start with your G chord. There we go. 1, 2, ready, hit it. Start with a pinch. Pinch, 2 and 3, 4. Again, pinch. Now to C, go. And back to G. And C. Whoa, got creative there. And by the way, if you hit another string and it sounds okay, really, it's good. It's fine. And really, when I'm finger picking, I don't exactly stay to one pattern the whole time. I'll add some strings and change it up a little, add some variety. But it really helps to get some consistent pattern going, and then you can kind of move it and control it. If you're always changing, you're bound to kind of get kind of twisted up when you start going fast. Okay, now for the final exercise, number 4. Listen. It's not only called exercise number 4, I call it the Pinchy pattern plus 3, because it's got 3 extra notes from the original Pinchy pattern, but it's also called Travis picking. You've probably heard of that. And there's variations on Travis picking, so it's not the one and only Travis picking, but it is a full-out Travis picking pattern. Let's do it. And you're more than 3/4 of the way there. We're just going to add one note. Listen, I'll go slow so you can hear the individual notes. Keep in mind that you can't really think this out and do it right. You use the thinking to get it, but then you got to do repetitions to where it becomes natural and you don't have to think about it. So, a caution. Here we go. That's the extra note. It's the 3rd string. I'm using my first finger. So the first finger is free because the second finger is doing the first and second strings. Let's try it. So let's go slow first, just so you can kind of think it out. Ready? Start with a pinch. Pinch. Bass note to the 4. High string. Back to 6. 2. Back to 4. And now the first finger on the 3rd string. And that finishes it. And then you start over. Again. Pinch. That was the first finger there at the end. Go. Okay, let's try it on that C chord, same pattern. Now you're going to use the 5th string for the thumb. Ready, pinch. 3rd string again, go. Okay, so you might want to practice that a few times, kind of get comfortable, and then come and play along with me. We'll do it a few times. I'm not expecting you to get it right off the bat. You have to practice it. That's why we call it an exercise. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play along. One more time. I'm going to count. I think I can do it. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Not so good. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and did it. I want to play it a little faster, partly to redeem myself, but I want you to hear what we're aiming at. It sounds much better when it's faster. Here we go. So that's it for today's lesson. Could I ask you a favor? Could you please put something in the comments to let me know how easy or hard this was? I'd really like to know. And let me know if there's something else you'd like to see me make a video on as well. Thanks for joining me. I'll be back tomorrow with day 13. I hope to see you then. Bye for now.